Hello! My name is Ryan Yoakum, and today I'm going to show you how you can get your NAICS code for the Entrepreneurship Financial Management course. These are going to be very helpful when it particularly comes to doing any of the research, whether it's with the articles, audio and visual resources, or even industry report information. So NAICS codes, which stand for the North American Industry Classification System codes, are a series of 2 to 6 digit numbers that represent different industries within the United States, Canada, and Mexico. These were created in 1997 and update every 5 years to reflect either changes in industries or emerging new ones. So if we're in the Entrepreneurship 3000 guide, I'm going to go to this industry codes box, and I'm going to click on the link that is right here to get to the NAICS codes website. And then there are 1 of 3 ways we can find the NAICS code for our specific industry. The first of which is using this keyword search that is right here to the left. So I'm going to use the example of ice cream stores. And if I type that in right here, you're going to see that we're not going to get anything. But if we slightly switch that up, and I'm going to write ice cream parlors, which are similar to ice cream stores, now we have a NAICS code. So just keep in mind when you're working with the search right here for keywords that you're going to have to use specific words to find your specific industry. So just keep that in mind. There might be in there, you just might have to work around a couple of the words, basically. Another way you can find your codes, though, is if you go to this reference file section right here, and we're going to go at 2022, the most recent NAICS codes. And if we're trying to think about ice cream, we're going to go and reverse engineer that topic. So out of all these sections, it looks like accommodation and food services fits the best. And then we'll look at more specific industries. And as we scroll down, snack and non-alcoholic beverage bar seems to fit. And if we scroll down here, now we have ice cream parlors. And the final thing we can do, if all else fails, is go to the 2022 NAICS Code Manual, which we'll click on right here. And then I often try to use some of the keywords to think about what industries might fall under that NAICS code. So if I type in, for example, ice cream, we're going to go up real quick. And as we're going up, we'll see right here that we have ice cream parlors. And that's essentially how we're going to find our NAICS code, one of those 3 ways. But if you have any questions or any difficulties finding one for your industry, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help. Sometimes these codes are going to be interesting, especially if you're working with an innovative idea. You might need to find 2 codes that match the different parts of that industry. But again, I'm happy to help with that if it comes to that. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in finding the NAICS code for your industry.